saying? How are you? Oh, do I have a tissue? I think I might have a tissue somewhere. My allergies have been acting up like crazy though. Wow, everybody's in here today. What's up, guys? Oh, yeah, I need to blow my nose. No! Hey, how you doing? Hi, She Loves. How are you? I thought that said schlong at first. What the freaking heck? Oh, that's what it is. If I move this drink, it'll move this. No! Hi, Eric. My phone mount holder fell, so I have to put it down here. Yeah, I'm having allergies really, really, really bad today. Goodbye, Eric. You want a boyfriend? I have a boyfriend. I do have a boyfriend, actually. No, what? All your life choices again? Of course, everybody does that. Now you're rocking on the dance floor, acting naughty. What do I do for a living? Check out my Instagram. It'll show you what I do for a living. Why you think boyfriend, lol? What do you mean? I have a best friend too, yeah. Me and my best friend have been best friends for almost 16 years now. Yay! Oh my gosh, my allergies are going crazy. I have tissues somewhere, I just don't know where. More volume? What do you mean? More volume? Is probably one of the hottest farmist daughters ever. What do you mean farmist? Oh, is the AC too loud? What about that? This is not my Mustang. My Mustang is a convertible, so it doesn't have a sunroof. This is my truck. I was looking at the iPhone 14 Pro Max. What's like upgraded on it? I need to blow my nose so bad because if I don't, then it's gonna freaking leak like everywhere, and that would be so disgusting. Okay. Don't mind me as I blow my nose. I know, gross. Ew. Sorry. Sorry. If I don't blow my nose though, then it's gonna be leaking everywhere. Which would be 10 times grosser. Oh, that feels so much better. Instead of like sniffling everywhere. Ugh.
Tenemos la Champions.